Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine at your homes. Students, do you know, really we are missing you a lot because from so many days you are at home and we are not in front of you and you are not in front of us. So anyhow, God will help us. The condition is very critical are there. Now in the help of Allah, inshallah, we will defeat this virus. So stay at home and be careful about yourself. So come to the point, students. This is the class 4, the student of class 4. This is the book of class 4, math wise, and today the unit number 2. We will start the unit number 2, exercise number 9 to 12. Yes, students, do you know today's lecture is very easy to learn. This is the simple exercises in this lecture. They are arranged vertically and find the difference. As you are looking here, exercise number 9, arrange vertically and find the difference. What is the difference? You can do by yourself. In fact, all the exercise you can do by yourself. First of all, I want to tell you something. Exercise number 9. Something about exercise number 9. So there is a question, arrange vertically. First of all, you have to arrange vertically. The question number 1 in this way is written here: 897, 976 minus 376 and 814. So first of all, to solve this question, we have to arrange vertically. So how can you arrange in this way? 897, 976. And we will start from the right side. 4, 1, 8, 6, 7, 3. So I have arranged in this way, vertically. And we will subtract 4 from 6. We get 2, 1 from 7, we get 6, 8 from 9, we get 1, 6 from 7, we get 1, 7 from 9, we get 2, and 3 from 8. In this way, we get 5. Now students, we have solved the question number 1, and in this way you have done, you can do all the questions of exercise number 9 by yourself up to the question number 12. These all questions are of subtraction. These questions are so easy. So and next, exercise number 10. What is the exercise number 10? Let's read. Yes, subtract. This is also the subtraction. First question is 23,600. What is this? 23,600. This one. 23,600 from 700,000, from 700,000 in this way. The question will do in this way. We can solve 1000 and 600 from 700,000. Now students, first of all, we write the question, we convert the question into numerals. These questions are in the word form, but we have to convert it into the numerals. This is 23,600 from the 700,000. So first of all, we write 700,000. 700,000 minus this one, 23,600. This is 23,600. So when we subtract, we will write in this way. From the right side we will start. Here is nothing because this number is the 6-digit number and this is the 5-digit number. So here is nothing. So we can write here, put here 0. If we subtract this, we get 0 0, and we can carry the 1 from the 7. So here will be the 6, and when we carry the 1 again from this 10, here will be the 9, and again here will be the 9, again so, no, this will be the 10. Okay, so 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 2, 7, 6 as it is, because 6 minus 0 we will get 6. So this is the question number 1 of exercise number 10 I have solved. Okay, next question number 2 and question number 3 you can do by yourself. It is very easy. The exercise number, in this way the exercise number 11, find the missing numbers. Students, to find the missing number, what we have to do. This is the 82 648. For example, if I write on the board 82 648, so what would be the number here? This is the exercise number 11. So in this case, if I find out two numbers, if I have two numbers and find out the third number, which number will be subtracted from this number? This is the same as we have 5 pen, okay, and after giving 2 pens, after giving some pens, for example I have 5 pens, this is okay student, these are, for example, these are 5 pens, and if I subtract some pen and then we get 2 pen, so easily you can understand how many pens will be given to anyone. For example, if I have which number will be subtracted, which number is subtracted from 5, so that we have 2 is here. You know students, if I have 5 pens and now we have 2 pens here, so how many pens? I think 3 pens, so I can write here 3. What we have done here? What activity we have done here? Very simple. We have subtract 2 from 5. If we have nothing is here, how can we find out this number? We have to subtract these 2 from the 5. If we subtract this 2 from the 5, we get 3. Similarly, we subtract this amount from this amount. Okay? From this number will be subtracted from this number, so that we can get. Okay? So subtract this number. First of all, 8, 2, 6, 4, 8. And I will subtract this number 1, 8, 3, 2, 9. Okay? So when we subtract, we will carry here 18 and here will be 3. 18 from 9 from 18, 9, 1, 3. Again will carry. Again will take carry from 8. Here will be 7, 12. 8 from 12, 4 and 1 from 7. Here will be 6. So this will be the actually number. That will be here. Okay, 6, 4, 3, 1, 9. 6, 4, 3, 1, 9. 6, 4, 3, 1, 9. So check either our question is right or wrong. If I if I subtract 18 from 9, is it? Yes, it is 9, it will be 9. And if we take carry here, so here will be 3, and if here will be 3, 3 minus 1, we get 2. In this way, 6 minus 3, we get 3. Here 12, and here will be 7. 12, 4 from 12, 8, 7, 6 from 7, 1. So in this way, we have done this question correctly, and we have checked. So in this way, just you can subtract this number from this number, and you will get the value which is here. So next question, students, you can do by yourself. The question number 2, simply the question as like the question number 1 and question number 2 you can do by yourself. So come to the exercise number 12. These are the word problems. These are also so easy. Just you have to understand the meanings of these lines. Students, first question is like Mr. Kamal needs rupees 662,520 from a project. Okay, for a project. Mr. needs means Mr. Kamal को ज़रूरत है इस अमाउंट की किसी एक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए. He already has this amount. He already has this amount in his account. How much more money does he need? Okay, how much? Mr. Kamal just have 234,755 rupees, but he need more amount. So how many amounts he need, Mr. Kamal need. So we will do this subtraction. Just some question is of addition. We can write in this way: total money need for this project. Okay, total money needs, how many money he needs? Rupees 362 and 520 for the project. But Mr. Kamal have money in his account. Mr. Kamal money in his account just rupees, in your book is written here 234,755. 234,755. Okay, but how many money he needs more? This money he has, and but the project needs of project money is this. So how many money he needs more? So simply we have to subtract. We can write in this way: total more money needed is needed we can subtract 362 520 minus rupees 234,755. Okay, when we subtract this, we can subtract in this way here: 362,520 557,432. When we subtract this, you can carry 1, 5, here will be 11, here remain the 4, 11, 5 from 11, 6, 14, 7, this way students, 7, 3 from 5, 2, and 2 from 3, 1. It's mean rupees 127,765 rupees we needed more, because he has this amount in his account and he needed this more amount to complete this amount, to complete the project. So this is the answer. Students, in this way, the question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and all question number up to the question number 10 you can do by yourself. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 is the questions of subtraction, but the question number 5 is the addition. Question number 5, what is this? The question number 5, a car cost rupees 375,999 and a motorcycle cost rupees 45,500. Rizwan want to buy both. Both means dono. He has rupees 246,450 in his bank. How much more money does he need? So students, first of all we have to add the cost of car and the cost of motorcycle, because Rizwan want to buy both. So first of all we add the amount of both items, then we will subtract the amount, the answer from this amount, so that we can find out the money which he needed more. First of all we add, then we subtract the answer of both answers. Student, in this way question number 6 is also very easy. Question number 7 is also the subtract the sum this and this. As you are looking here, the question number 7, subtract the sum of this and this number from this. When you will add this and this number, you get one answer, and that answer, when you get that answer, this amount, you will subtract that amount, that answer from this amount. Okay, you get one answer after the addition, you get one answer, and that answer you will subtract from this amount. That you will get the proper finally answer. In this way, what is the difference between this and this? Simply you just subtract the amount, both amounts. Which is bigger than first amount is the bigger, greater amount, and second one is the smallest. So first of all you subtract the smallest amount from the greatest amount. Next question, I subtract a number from this and got a result of this. What number did I subtract? Friends, this question number 9, I subtract a number from 90,426 and got a result. This question is same like the question which I am going to written here, 26, and I subtract a number. I don't know that number, so I can put here blocks. I subtract a number, I don't know that number, and got the result 41,592, and I got the result. So in this way, I have already told you, if in this case, what you have to do, you just subtract this amount from this amount, so you will get the answer. Similarly, the question number 10, a society working for orphan children. A society working for orphan children raised rupees 650,000 from a football charity match, and provisional government sectioned rupees 280,500 from the same project. Students, what we have to do, the NGO plans to build a shelter for the children. First of all, the collection of money which they have collected. So we have to find how many they have collected. This amount and this amount. This amount 650 and this amount. Because this is the football charity amount, and this is the provincial government sanctioned this amount. Okay, so total, how many total? We will add these amount. Okay, when we will add, we get this amount. Okay, now what is next? The NGO plan to build a shelter for the children which will cost rupees 5 million. Means one NGO want to build a shelter for the children. NGO want to build a shelter for the children, and they needs the cost of 5 million to give the shelter. So how much more money does the NGO need to collect? So we will. This is the 5 million, because million in the millions there are 7 digits. So when we subtract this amount, we get, here will be 10, here will be 9, there will be also 9, 0, 3, 4. So this is the finally answer. How much more money does the NGO need to collect? So the NGO need to collect this amount more, because the NGO has already this amount, but he need to collect this one amount more. So this is the finally answer of the question. So student, in this way we have done the exercise number 9 to 12. So students, rest of the question you can do by yourself. All the questions in the exercise number 12 are also so easy, just for addition and subtraction. Students, notes will be provided to you through the SMS, through the WhatsApp, and through the internet. Students, if you have any concern, you can come to the office, school account office. We will provide you help. And your homework, do practice of exercise number 9 to 12 of unit number 2. Students, you have to do practice at your home. Inshallah, we will see you in the next lecture. This is our 5th lecture on fifth week, and you have to do the practice without taking any help, because you not need to take any help. The all exercises are very easy if you take the lecture properly. So you can do all these exercises by yourself. So keep yourself clean, be careful about yourself. Allah Hafiz.